Hey guys, Elliot here with Worldwide Auctioneers, and I wanted to show you another one of these interesting offerings we have from our Auburn auction. This little guy is a 1957 BMW Isetta, and you might have never heard of one of these, or maybe you've only seen them at a car show or something like that. This was BMW's idea of a little city car, basically like a Fiat 500 kind of competitor, really meant for those narrow streets of Europe. And you might wonder, well, how do you get in and out of this little thing? Well, it's interesting. The front of it is actually the door. And as you open it, the steering wheel swivels out of the way, and well, you've got yourself a little cuddle couch there for you and one other passenger if you're lucky. This thing's just a really quirky, fun little car. It doesn't go very fast. I was actually driving this earlier this week. The shifter's on the left. Everything about this car, from the second you open it up to the second you start it, is quirky and different, but that's what makes it so special and fun. These are attention grabber everywhere you go. Women are always like, oh my gosh, look, it's so cute. Look at that little thing. And they're right, it is. It's just a fun, quirky little car. You'll never see anything like it. They won't ever make anything like this again, probably because the dangerous part is the door. But it's just cool to see, and this one has been fully restored, and it is an absolute immaculate shape. And it's really cool to have it right here in Indiana. Really cool to see cool cars like this in this state.